Elon and Mark shared a box of coins in the ratio 8:5, which means that Elon has 8 units of coins, Mark has 5 units of coins. Now after Elon spent 51 coins, which means his number of coins has to reduce, and Mark bought another 42 coins, which means for Mark his has to increase. They had an equal number of coins. How many coins were there in the box at first? Alright, now what we can do for this question is to draw for ourselves a model for the before and for the after. So before, Elon, Mark. Elon had this much. Okay, as for Mark, this much. Okay, and over here we'll put 8 units, over here 5 units. And the difference between their number of coins, this dotted box here, will be 8 minus 5, and that is 3 units of difference. So what's happening is Elon went to spend 51 coins. Mark bought. So Mark's number of coins must increase by a little bit, let's say like this, and Elon has to decrease by a little bit as well, so that at the end they have the same. Okay, same number of coins. And take note, this part here we know it is 51. This part here we know it's 42. So if you add these two shaded parts, we can see that it actually makes up that 3 units. Okay, let me draw the after model and hope we can actually visualize this a little bit better with that. Okay, so again, Elon will look like this. Mark will look like, I'm not sure how many units exactly is the after one, but I know that at the end they will have the same. Okay, why is it the same? Because Elon went to spend 51 coins. Mark bought 42 coins. Okay, so if you do your model drawing, you can see that over here is 42, over here is 51. So 42 plus 51 will be this section right here. Which means that the value of 3 units of coins will be equals to 42 plus 51. And that will be 93 coins. So how many coins were there in the box at first? At first, it means 8 plus 5 units. So we find 1 unit first. 93 divided by 3, 31, and 8 plus 5 will be 13 units. 31 times 13, which will give us a final answer of 403 coins.